Hi, friends. Today, I need your help with my eggs. I have lots of different colored eggs in here. I have some small eggs and I have a big egg. We're going to need to open them up and see what's inside. And once we find them, we're going to match the color of the egg to the color of my key. And we're going to open up the house so that we can put the objects inside. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is reach in. I see different eggs. I see small ones and I see one big one. Let's open the big one first. I see a dinosaur on that big egg. Take it out. What color is this egg? You're right, it is blue. This is the blue egg. So the first thing we're going to do is get the blue egg and we're going to crack it open. Okay, I need your help. Crack, 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 crack. Open up. What is inside that blue egg? See that? This is a rake. Use this outside when you're working. Rake leaves or rake the dirt. That's right. Okay. We're going to find the key that matches this egg, this blue egg. We need to find the blue key. I see a blue key. I see a lighter blue key and a darker blue key. We're going to go ahead and use the dark blue key. And we're going to put a rake inside the dark blue house. Pull out the house. Let's look. The door, I see it. It has the shape, heart shape on it. You're right. So I'm going to take the heart, put the key inside. I'm going to turn the key and open the doors. Open up heart doors. And I'm going to put the rake inside. Now I'm going to close the doors and lock it up. Nice job. Okay, the blue door is locked. Let's see what else we can find. Let's see the eggs again. Let's see what color egg we're going to open this time. I'm going to reach inside. I think I want to open up the orange egg. That's right. We're going to open the orange egg next. Okay, let's see if we can find the same thing inside or something different inside. Here we go. We're going to crack it. Crack, crack. Oh, I see something different inside the orange egg. It's a school bus. You're right. It's an orange school bus. Beep, beep. The school bus is going to come to pick up some of my friends to bring them to school soon. I can't wait for you guys to get on your bus and see you at school. Okay, I'm going to find the orange key that matches. Look around. This one looks a little bit orange, but I think we're going to call this one a yellow key today. I see the dark orange. I'm going to get the orange key right here. And what shape do you see on that orange key? You're right, it is a triangle. I see the triangle. Come over here. Let's see if we can find the door that matches the orange triangle. We already did blue, so let's turn the door. I see the orange triangle. That's right. Okay, we're going to put the key in, put it in, and we're going to turn the key. Open up door. Here comes the bus. Beep, beep. Put it inside. Close the door. Lock the door. And now we're going to be all done orange door. Okay, let's see which egg we're going to do next. I see some more hiding inside. I'm looking around. I think next I'm going to do the, what color is this one? Green. That's right. We're going to do the green egg next. Okay, there we go. Crack, crack, crack. Ooh, inside the green egg is what's this? It's a pail. You're right. It says pail for sand or dirt. You can put inside your pail. You can make a sand castle with this or carry things with this. All right, we have to find the green key. So let's look and see if we can find the green key. I see it. This one is going to be our green key today. And we're going to match the green one. See if we can find the door to put the pail in. Let's see. We did the orange triangle and the blue heart. Now we're going to do the, all right, it's the green door. And this green door has a square with a circle on the inside of it. We're going to put the key in. You know, I got to turn it to make it fit. And I'm going to turn the door, open up, and I'm going to put the pail inside the green door. Close the door, and we're going to lock it. Oops. I'm going to turn it to lock it. Nice job. Okay, let's see who's going to go next. First, we have to find the egg. Get it out. Oh, I see 3 eggs. 1, 2, 3. All right, the next one is going to be hello. Nice job. We're going to do a little egg next. I'm going to crack it. Crack, crack, crack. Who is inside the yellow egg? It's a dog. You're right. It's a dog from Paw Patrol. All right, let's see. We got to find the yellow one. Looking around. There's a yellow key. We're going to open up this one. And this one is a square shape. You're right. This is the square. Okay. We did the green circle. We did the blue heart. We did the orange triangle. We haven't done the yellow square yet. Here it is. We found it. Okay. Key in. Gonna make it fit. Okay, I'm gonna turn the key and unlock it. Open up door. There's 2 sides to open, and then he's gonna say, woof, woof, woof. The dog is inside. Close the doors. Now we're gonna lock it. Put it in and turn the key. And it's locked. Okay, we have 2 more to open. Get out our eggs. I see a pink and a blue egg. I think I'll do the pink egg first. Let's try it. Okay. The pink egg. Crack, crack, crack. Ooh, a sunflower. I see a sunflower in pink egg. Sunflowers are getting ready to grow. The sun's going to start shining in the spring. We might even plant some sunflowers when we get to school in our classroom. All right, I gotta find the pink key. Let's see, can we find the pink key? There it is. Now let's find the pink door to put that sunflower in. All right, we did the blue heart, the yellow circle, and there is the pink one. The pink key has a diamond on it. A diamond right there. We're gonna put the diamond key in, turn it, say open up doors, and put the sunflower and close the doors. Good job. And we're gonna lock with the key. I'll put the key in, and turn the key, lock it. Nice job. Okay, let's see which one's next. We have 1 egg left. Egg, you're right. I see the blue egg. I'm gonna take the blue egg out. Gotta crack it on the table. You ready? Crack, crack, crack. It's inside the blue egg. Who is this? It is a pig. The pig was inside the blue egg. All right, let's find the blue key. Let's see. I see the dark blue key, but we already did that one. I'm looking for the light blue. Here it is. And this one, see a hexagon on the blue one. Let's get out the door that matches that. See if we can find it. There it is. I see the match, the hexagon. All right, I'm gonna put the key in and turn the key and open the door. Close the pig. Side, close the door, and lock the. Awesome job. Thank you guys. We did it. We got all of them inside, and now we are all done. We'll look another day at opening them and seeing if we can pull them out. I'm going to need your help later. All right. I'll see you later. Bye, friends.